Avoid this laundry detergent. It's so toxic you can actually smell the chemicals. Your clothes and your bedding that you wash with this junk stay in contact with your skin all day and all night. Unfortunately, in these detergents, they don't actually get washed away with a rinse cycle like you might think. Many of them remain in your clothing. Make no mistake, your skin is a doorway to your body, meaning all of these toxic chemicals could be absorbed into your bloodstream. You're also constantly breathing them. So when choosing your laundry detergent, watch out for these toxic ingredients: sodium lauryl sulfate, dioxane benzene, formaldehyde, NPEs, bleach, aluminium, sulfates, artificial dyes, and artificial fragrances. They're known to cause skin, eye, and lung irritation, allergies, asthma, reproductive problems, and can increase your risk of cancer. Instead, choose one of the clean fragrance products with 0 fragrances or natural essential oils. I like eCover. They make a variety of clean household products. They're gentle, non-toxic, kinder to your body and to the environment.